I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating an ESIM can seem tricky, but with the right steps, it is quite straightforward. Here is how to do it on your Android device with Virgin. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your Android device supports the ESIM functionality. Most newer models do, but it is best to confirm. Step 2. Get your ESIM QR code. Log into your Virgin account or contact customer service to obtain your ESIM QR code. This code is essential for activation. Step 3. Open mobile network settings. On your Android device, go to Settings, then tap on Network and Internet and select Mobile Network. Step 4. Add mobile plan. In the mobile network menu, tap on Add mobile plan. Use your camera to scan the QR code you received from Virgin. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Once the QR code is scanned, follow the prompts to complete the activation. You might need to restart your device afterward. If you encounter a message saying no service after activation, double-check that your mobile data is turned on in the settings. I hope this guide helps you get your ESIM up and running smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.